Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at NUU Mobile G5. Now let's take a look at the box. Here we're going to see some specifications. We have a 6.5 HD plus display. We have 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. We have a big battery of 5000 milliamperes and multi-lens photography. And as you can see here on the specifications on the back, this phone has quad cameras on the back, with the main lens being 16 megapixels, 8, 2 and 2 megapixels, while the front facing camera is 16 megapixels. Included on the box we have power cable, power adapter, TPU case, screen protector and the paperwork quick start guide. Color of choice is blue. Okay, so it was stuck here. Basically you need to push it from the bottom and open it. This is the phone. Let's take a quick look at what's inside the box. Now, first thing popping out of the box are the earphones. Let's open them and see. These are the basic earphones you will find in each box. These are similar to earphones from Apple. This is the SIM tray. The SIM tray fell out. Getting started with your G5. This is the manual. You guys can use this. If you want to purchase this phone, this can help you out to get a $50 credit on the NUU website. This phone will cost you around $159 at a special price, but the normal price is at $200. We have NUU stickers. We have a gel skin TPU case. We also have the AC power adapter, which is 5 volts, and we have a cable which is type C on one side and type A on the other. Now let's go take a look at the phone. This is a very big phone and shiny on the back. See that we have the quad camera setup on the back, with the lens being here on the top. Fingerprint is on the back of the phone. On the right side we have the buttons. The volume buttons are here and the power button. Camera is on the top left of the phone. We have the earpiece here. We have the Type-C port on the bottom, speaker and a headphone jack. While on the left we have the SIM tray. Now this is very interesting because this phone has similar specs to the Galaxy A21s. Let me just go through the menu here. I'm gonna skip everything. Now, first impressions, holding the phone in hand, it feels heavy and it gives you a good feeling of the phone. Now I removed the first screen protector, but it looks like it already has another screen protector installed. Now looking at the menu, we see that we have a very simple UI. It's based on stock Android coming from the Pixel phones. Now here on settings, I was about to go on wireless update and search for an update, but we see that we have Face ID, fingerprint, portrait mode, super zoom, AI intelligence technology and navigation bar. Now, fresh out of the box, we see that we have an update and the release date is on 16 November of 2020. We're gonna see some photos and video samples at the end of the video. Be sure to stick around until the end. Now, let me just open YouTube and check out the screen resolution of this phone, because this has a very big screen. The maximum video resolution on this phone is 720p. Let's check the viewing angles and the speaker. This phone has only one bottom firing speaker. I've installed Candy Crush here. Let's take a quick game. Very loud. This caught me off guard and it was very loud. Okay, so obviously you can play Candy Crush here. Let's try a heavier game. Okay, so now while waiting for the game to download some additional settings, I want to take the time and give a shout out to MaxiRock. I need you guys to take a look at his channel here. I got a new nickname for him. He is the Motorola guy. So Trevor, if you're watching this, you're the Motorola guy.
Everybody in Mass Squad, welcome back to a brand, and let's go over some of the specs that they have in the front of the box. Now, I got this phone, I can tell you right now, I got it at 59.
Now, while we wait the game to download, let me just try this case. Yeah, it's a gel skin case. It can protect the camera here. If we put the phone like this on a table, okay, so despite the fact that I suck at this game, this phone handles even games like real racing or other games similar to this one. So it can handle the games good. One other thing I want to do is to test the score on Geekbench. So let's install Geekbench 5, and while that is downloading, let's open the camera app and take a look at the modes. We have night mode, we have HDR, we have video that can record up to full HD, as you can see here. We have photo, we have the portrait shot here, the artificial intelligence shot here. We have Super HD. This phone can zoom up to 4 times. And we also have the possibility of the wide angle shot. We have Pro mode, and when we go on more, we have some other options like slow motion, time lapse, different filters, and macro shot. So now let's open Geekbench and let's do a little Geekbench test. Okay, so the benchmark results are 141 for the single core score and 859 for the multi-core score.